Struggling to find a no-cost AI video generator that actually delivers for YouTube Shorts? In this tutorial, I will show you the complete workflow from scripting to final edit using entirely free tools. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to chat.openai.com. Here you want to prompt, write a 5-part YouTube Shorts series about a girl imagining a jungle safari. Enter that prompt. Now you simply want to copy this, then head over to labs.google.com/imagefx. Now you want to paste your detailed prompt and generate 4 image variations. Now save those to your library. For each subsequent scene, you can append a location phrase. Now you want to head over to Hailu AI. Now sign up to Hailu AI for 1000 free credits. For each scene you want to upload your PNG, then use a prompt like tracking shot of a girl walking and talking in jungle safari. Choose the 3D model. It will deduct 30 credits per scene and render. Now repeat all 7 scenes. After that, you want to head over to ttsfree.com. Here, paste your script segment, choose a voice, hit convert and download the MP3. Now, you want to open up CapCut or any other editing software. Here you want to drag your clips, import the audio, add free transitions and visual effects. Then select a background track and sound effects. And that's it, a fully AI-powered free workflow to create consistent character YouTube shorts. If this helped you, tap like, leave a comment and subscribe for more videos like this.